Want to enable and use fall detection on your Apple Watch? By doing this, your watch can automatically alert emergency services if you take a hard fall. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and use fall detection on your Apple Watch. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure you are using Apple Watch SE, all generations, or Apple Watch Series 4 and later, or Apple Watch Ultra and later. Now try this out. First, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down, tap SOS. Now tap Fall Damage. Toggle this on, then choose between Always On and Only On during workouts. If you are 55 years or older, when you set up your Apple Watch or in the Health app, fall detection might be turned on automatically. And that's it. This is how you can turn on and use fall detection on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.